back seat gonna get removed. All that stuff gonna get removed out the trunk, out the hood. You know what I'm saying? So you can see what's really happening back here. You know, back in the back. It's the alternator in here in the box. Got a fresh new alternator. There's some more boxes and stuff back in the back, but we'll put some speakers up here on the deck. Everything, man. And get it all. Say hi. Ready to get towed up. This is just the beginning, just the first day. You know what I'm saying? That stuff gets done. Post more videos. Later time, later date. Make sure we get you right. Show you what the engine looks like. We don't been done it. Got fresh new alternator to go on there. It's a little something. That's what car one. Car one, man. Yeah. That was a good little 2-minute video. 2.5 minutes. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna start it off with the Monte Carlo. She's getting ready now. We're gonna go ahead and start the little project beginning of the year. What's the day is the 25th, and we're gonna go ahead and do a bunch of music in the car. I don't really want to give it away right now and tell you what's going in here, cause it's enough. I tell you that it's enough, and got quite a few little tricks going in here. To be honest, it's been about 2 years in the making. You know what I'm saying? 1 year we had COVID, and I got kind of sidetracked when I got sick, so it's been like a real 2-year project. We're gonna go a lot of music, big round, candy paint, and super loud. Believe that we're gonna be super loud. We're gonna knock off a couple of competitors, and I call y'all competitors now, but trust and believe me, you're gonna get marked off the list. Marked for death. Knock some of y'all guys off. Some of y'all guys sound good out there. I ain't even gonna lie, some of y'all guys sound good. But then there's some of y'all that sound like trash because you went and spent $1,500 on a bunch of fake mids and highs. Ain't nothing fake going on my car, man. Nothing going fake in here. But just know when you see it, you're gonna be like, man, that's the dude I seen on YouTube with that loud ass car. So next we're gonna show you the little music. Well, I ain't gonna show you the music yet. We'll wait for that for another video. But it's coming though. It's coming. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Y'all be safe out here.